I have options today. Live paycheck to paycheck, or I can attend college to further my higher education and major in business analytics. Throughout this amazing journey, I learned that I am determined, challenge-driven, smart, and that I have a GPA of 3.6. And now I want a much higher number than that. Yeah.
I am a mother of 3 kids. I work for the state of Oklahoma. As of last Monday, I became a social worker for the state. I just needed the high school diploma to be able to get that done. So now I'm able to feed the people of Oklahoma.
You know, it's such an amazing program. I miss my coach, you know. I wish I could take her with me to college.